Let's take a look at just a few of the brushes located in the tool options. I'm going to open my shelf over on the right hand side by clicking on the double arrows, go up to Tool, click on the swatch, and then drag that over to the side. Now by default you have your simple brush active, which allows me to just paint a stroke here inside my canvas. But if we click on this simple brush icon, we get a much larger opening palette here, which allows us to select all these other different brushes. For instance, something like the smudge brush, which won't add any pixels to our scene, but will allow us to kind of smear these around. We also have brushes like the snake hook brush, which is always fun to play with, which just allows you to kind of pull this snake hook effect out from the pixels you've already drawn on your scene. Now you'll notice in an empty area here of the canvas, I can't actually pull anything out. Some of these brushes will work with previously drawn pixels, and some of them will actually lay down pixels. For instance, the fiber brush will not only affect the pixels that I've already worked with, but also in empty areas lay down new pixels. So just like anything else inside ZBrush, I suggest that you play around with the many different brushes and features that you have inside here. Again, don't forget, if you hold down the Control key, you get a much bigger dialog explaining each one of these features and what they do.